Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another unit from Wiggins. I love working with Wiggins. I feel like they have really good quality hair and their HD lace eats. So of course I have another HD lace unit, and this is their loose deep wave texture. This is my first time trying this type of spiral. I have tried loose deep before, but I can't say it was exactly like this. So this was really cute and really different. I ended up really liking it, and this one is also pre-plucked and bleached as well, so I didn't have to do that much work to it. My hair was already straightened, so I didn't have to braid it down. I just put it into 2 braids and then did like a zigzag kind of bobby pin situation in the back, and then I went ahead and used their HD wig cap to do the bald cap method, but this time I just used the Ebin spray. I wanted to just do it a simpler way instead of doing glue, and you don't always need glue, so this is another way that you could do it. I really liked how they bleached this wig and also how they plucked it. I actually did no plucking at all, and it looked just like this. So you could always tweak it if you need, but if you don't want to pluck, this is literally the perfect wig. And like usual, I'm using a white powder just to outline where my glue is going to go. And after cleaning up the area with some alcohol, I'm just using Bolt Hold Active and doing about 2 to 3 layers. I've been using this new method of using an eyebrow razor to first cut the lace off before melting, and I think I prefer this instead of after melting. It doesn't really make that much of a difference, but I kind of like it better. Then using the melting band, I'm just going to let it melt for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and do the baby hairs. Now using my wax stick, I'm just going to fix the middle part and make sure it's centered. After curling my baby hairs, I'm just using the Lotta Body mousse to shape them, and then I'm going to wrap it with the melting band for another 5 to 10 minutes. Now that they're all dry, I'm just brushing them out and fixing them if needed, and then using some Got2b just to lay them down. I already really like how the curls look, but I just went in with some Lotta Body mousse and a little bit of water just to shape them and just have a maintained type of wet curl look, but you could have left them all fluffy. And that is pretty much it. I really like this texture. I would definitely recommend. I think it's so different and it's such a cute spiral texture. So if you guys want more info and if you want the link to this wig, I'll put everything in my description down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.